My people, no be small thing, no. As e stand right now, they say that the country where would they try to manage or where would they try to check whether we go fit make fertilizer. E don finally scatter. Remember, say some days ago, the people of Ibanke for inside Edo State, they don't come outside, come talk say they are not Benin, say they be Igbo. Now that one would dey on top. Another ogbonge information come outside again. Come hear wetin this man dey talk concerning the Oba of Benin. No be me go talk am o. I go play the video, make una watch and lis ten and hear wetin dey talk before we go come back come jump inside another one. But may I quickly chip you the one wey dey happen now. As e stand right this now, they say one of those people wey dey kidnap people, they say one hand don meet am for inside one don meet am for inside Owerri. As we dey talk now, that one Chawoli Efife, they don catch am for inside Owerri. What those kidnappers wey dey waka everywhere. My people, they say the people wey support Tinubu 2023 as e stand right now for inside 2025, they don dey cry o, say they no go support again. All this video go come one after the other. Make we dey watch am see as e take dey go. Stay tuned.
Unfortunately, there's not enough time, but I will go briefly to where I use that phrase. Prince Oromia came to invade Igodomigodo in 12th century AD. During the invasion, they didn't succeed. He deliberately defiled, raped, and impregnated our daughter, Princess Eyimide, which gave birth to the first Oba of Benin. So the whole of Oba dynasty, they are illegitimate, they are illicit, they are burnt children. They are not supposed to. The Oba of Benin is the son of our daughter. And how can the son of our daughter ruling us and still insulting us? That's why we say that those who live in glass houses should not throw stone. Besides that, it has never happened in the history of Benin. Oba Dawa slept with his own sister Ikoyeme and Oba daughter to produce the current Oba II. It's an abomination in Benin. It has never happened. It has never happened. It's so strange. Then that is even the worst. He himself has even done worse than what the father did. He's always attracted to his sisters, to his siblings. He has had children from his direct siblings. He's sleeping with virtually all his siblings in the palace. This is an abomination in Benin for a brother to sleep with a sister. It has never happened before. But today it's very common in that over there. And they are stood there. How can somebody live in a glass house with 20 stone? It is wrong. So it is therefore annoying to hear them saying that my own king is sent. His installation is sacrilegious. When the person talking to person sponsoring this campaign is even more sacrilegious. It's still more sacrilegious. That the son of our daughter today is our king, and we are worshiping him. We are not dragging the stool of the Oba Benin with them. We are not interested. Allow us bear our father, which is Ogame. They quietly stole it without letting us know. By 1968, Ogame was already a gazetted king. Then by 1979, without our knowledge, he went and created another stool in the Oba Benin Palace and said that we are now a chief under him, which is criminal, which is fraudulent. So those who live in glass houses should not throw stone.
People, una don hear am as e take dey happen right now for inside Edo State. They say this talk wey the Oba wan go dethrone another Eze. They say the thing don bring a lot of katakata for inside the matter. Now let us jump inside Owerri, go see wetin dey happen for inside that place. So with those people wey dey call kidnapper people. You don read, watch the video.
It's happening like at Ojio, kidnappers. They kidnapped one girl from Atar side. Then when they stopped at Oji, that was how the girl was making noise. The people got to find out at Oji market in Kwoji night. today, being 28th of April 2025. Please, mothers, parents, guide your children. Guide your children. As you can see, the guy on red, there are 3. They fought and the other one at the back. You still see the person. Please, trade with caution. Hold your children. No place is safe in this country again. Look at them. Now they're taking them to Ige Palace. I don't know what they're going to Ige Palace to do.
Okay, we can now have a security guy, right?
Over these people to Ige. So that's it, though. Please share this video.
Maybe
comment,
one of the,
share.
if I'm still in town today, I will call her to
Be
pick it from
careful.
her.
No place is safe again. Even said the window, you see the car that they
But you also remind her
used in
that I'm trying to remind her.
The car is there. You guys have scattered.
All right, and then my wife also told me last night that
this is
the water
serious.
is smelling.
This is very serious.
Did you notice it from your own side?
Like at Nkwoji market, opposite Five Onyeka. Thanks for watching. Please share this video. Let every children out there be careful. Mind the kind of car you enter.
Yes, she said the same thing. She said when the rain fell that one of the GP tanks opened.
The kidnappers.
Okay, she came that Saturday.
They destroyed it. They were even planning to burn it before
She didn't even ask for family. Okay,
yeah, these young girls. Let them count.
You can now have a security guy, right? She said the same thing. Okay, she came down Saturday. She didn't even ask me. She was supposed to give me a document.
The main people say that one had a
small like a kidnapper. Yeah, in a buta. I'm going to get it now.
The main people say that one had
and then my wife also told me last yeah, she said the same thing. She said, okay, she came down Saturday.
If I become the president or governor, or in fact, if I dey in charge of court, anybody, human being, wey get mind, carry you follow human being, go kpai am, that person, wetin I go give you na kpai. If you go carry person, put inside bush, they demand money, when they catch you, na kpai, they suppose give you. You no suppose leave at all, because you are wicked. There's a lot of things to do out there to make money. Why do you choose to enter into crime? To put pen for inside other people body. That person one, I know where they carry and go. Buy am for the road there, make it own go. So that in next generation, when you go, next life, they come another life. You no go even reason go this way again. I bet we will go watch the next video. We will see people we support Tinubu. We say Tinubu na heaven and earth. Now they don't come outside say they no go support them again. Watch the video, may you see the difference between when Tinubu never enter and when Tinubu don't enter. May you see say the man body he don't lay finish. Now be say hunger don't touch am small. Watch the video.
Mr. Nopasa, since President Tinubu came in, the economy has tanked. It's at an all-time low as we speak.
It has not. It has not.
Let me finish my question. Mr. Nopasa, let me finish my question.
You are a liar.
Mr. Nopasa, moderate yourself. All right? Moderate yourself.
Do you know what you are doing?
Good.
Listen to me. You're
Secondly,
do you know what you are doing?
Since President Tinubu came in, the economy has tanked.
You are pretending to be a journalist.
That's one.
Is that Tinubu's fault?
Secondly,
don't you know why Naira tanked?
I'm still asking my question. Secondly,
it's been an because of your friends.
I mean, I don't understand this Bola Tinubu of a man. He will just, I don't know what his game plan is. His job, but he's wasting his time because we are the ones that put him in power. We know our calculations, how we put him in power, and we are going to get him out of that power. That's for sure. He's wasting his time. Now, whatever he thinks he's doing, he forgets that just because of the hunger in the land, it is very easy to campaign against. Very easy to campaign against. And those of us who campaigned for him, a lot of us, we campaign against him. And we will get him out of that power. He is a one-term president. I assure you, Ruben Abati. Bola Tinubu is a one-term president. Thank you.
Well, it's Nigerians that will determine that. It's not angry people like yourself taking a decision on that. But let me ask you, what do you think of coalition politics?
But even at that, Ruben, a majority of Nigerians did not vote for him. We did the calculation. All we needed to do was to wait for Atiku and Peter Obi to split their votes. That's how we won. Since 1999, Bola Tinubu has had the lowest margin of votes.
God have mercy upon us.
Of all presidents. He had less than 40% of votes. We calculated it. We worked at campaign council. Go and check the records. So there's nothing I don't know about how Bola Tinubu won. Let's see how we win in 2027.
Yeah, but Tinubu got 62%. He got 62% of the votes from northern Nigeria. Let's leave statistics. What do you...
Welcome back, my wonderful people. As you watch, make sure they share the video so that other people go to get the information. Drop your own opinion for inside comment section.